Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting TikTok videos from your profile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. While there is no way to delete all of your TikToks at once, it doesn't take long to delete them one at a time. To delete a TikTok video, tap on the video to start watching it. Tap the three dots Settings button. Scroll the bottom options to the end, and the option to delete the TikTok will be there. Confirm you want to delete the TikTok. That video will now be deleted from your TikTok profile. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.